Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to quote tweet post on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Choose the post you want to quote tweet. Then tap on the retweet icon. Now from the pop-up menu, tap on the quote tweet option. Write a quote you want to tweet in a comment section. Once you write a quote, tap on retweet at the top right corner of the screen. And you will quote tweet posts on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to quote tweet posts on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.